Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful, fully loaded 2017 Primetime Fury 30 12X toy hauler travel trailer with the slide out, generator, and the patio option. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length with the cargo door closed is 34 feet 10 inches, and the exterior height to the large 15,000 BTU AC unit is 11 feet 1 inch, and the cargo carrying capacity is 2,900 pounds. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. I do want to make a note. The information you might find on the 3012X as far as the garage length is incorrect online. It's actually online, it says it's 12 feet 10 inches. But the exact length from the island kitchen to the rear here, and this is where the door meets the actual floor, and you'll see it's 13 feet 11 inches. And just to be on the safe side, I would definitely say this cargo garage door, or I'm sorry, the garage is definitely 13 feet 6 inches, and that's on the safe side. And I do want to point out also the height from the deck to here. It's going to be 82 inches. All right. This does have the bug screen. Always forget the bug screens on these toy haulers. It does have the LED docking lights on the rear. You do have the HappyJack power lift system. The two couches folded up against the wall on each side. They actually come together and make into a huge bed, and you can power that up into the ceiling, and it also opts as two sofas, and obviously they're folded away right now. But you also have the second pair, and these are stationary. They don't go up, they just fold away up against the wall, and this makes into a huge king bed. And I do want to point out the fabrics. Got good light right here. It's going to be dark browns. And all the fabrics seem to be pretty much excellent condition. There's an impression here, and I think it's just from being stowed right here. And that's just, I think, from being stowed up against the wall. But anyway, definitely condition 1 through 10 being the best. I would definitely rate this definitely a 9. I think any dealer would agree. All right. The garage floor is going to be oil and gas resistant. It's that plank floor look. You do have, I believe, 8 or 9 D-rings or tie downs, and they are rated at 5,000 pounds usually, and they are bolted to the actual frame. I also want to point out the diamond plating along the side there to protect your sidewall. Ram air vent there to get the gassy smells out. And before I forget, show off that patio door option. And that ramp door, they're usually rated at 3,500 pounds, but that definitely was an option. Just above the stereo there, that's your button for your HappyJack power lift system that I was talking about. This is going to be your Jensen stereo. It's smart device ready, Bluetooth. You can plug in your Fire Stick or your Roku and you're ready to go. Your flat screen is going to be about a 27-inch flat screen, and it does pull out. It's on a swivel arm. Show off the opposing cabinets there. By the way, this floor plan has a lot of cabinet and drawer space, so I'll try to get it all. You do have 110 outlets all over this coach too. Nice island kitchen with add-a-leafs on each side for more counter space. Pull-out sprayer faucet. Nice double bowl sink. They're calling it a cherry, but this looks like a glazed maple to me. But anyway, with brushed nickel hardware. It's going to be your command center. I'll show that off before we go outside. It's going to be your thermostat control, digital thermostat to control your ducted large 15,000 BTU AC unit and your 20,000 BTU furnace. Back up here, kind of show off that slide. This is going to be the slide, accommodates the 2-burner gas cooktop, the stainless steel finished microwave, and the 6 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator with stainless steel finish. Turn it on. A couple hours later, you've got a cold fridge. Huge pots and pans drawer, by the way. I always show off the microwave. Show that off. Kind of back up here. Walk into the side aisle hallway, walking into the bathroom. Foot flush porcelain or china toilet. Nice vanity area. Shower and tub combo. And you do have a skylight there. And you are ducted AC and ducted heat in the bathroom. There's another ram vent there to get the gassy smells out while you're traveling down the road. Walking into the master bedroom. Queen bed. Queen bed does lift up, and that actually leads to the outside storage, which I'll show you when we get outside. 110 outlets again, each side of the bed. LED reader lights. LEDs are all over this coach, so it saves you on your battery. It's going to be your TV. It's going to be your second TV. It's going to be about a 32-inch flat screen, and you are cable and satellite ready all throughout. And you do have a nice solid pocket door here for privacy, not just a curtain, which is nice. Okay. And your AC, I do want to point out, also has a quick dump feature. The little louver here. You can open up these louvers and do a quick dump, and once it gets cooled off after a couple minutes, then you can close those off, and you'll have ducted AC all throughout. You do have nice recessed puck lights all throughout. And to the command center. Command center is going to be where you can turn on and off your generator, which is a 4000 Onan gasoline powered generator, not LP. A lot of your toy haulers, you'll find that they'll have an LP generator, which they're not really efficient, but it's gasoline powered. And see, just above that are your awning button. Is your awning button, 15-foot power awning, fully adjusting, LED lights, and to the right of the awning button is your slide out button. Zoom in on that. And then just above that, those are your lights. And that's easy to figure out. Let's go ahead and turn this generator off so I'm not yelling. I do also want to point out the generator currently has 169 hours. Okay. And I don't know if I pointed it out. Unloaded vehicle weight. When it came off the assembly line, usually you can find it on these little stickers on the inside of the door. 7,175 pounds. You do have a 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater on this. Whether you're boondocking or you're hooked up to shore power, you've got hot water within 15 minutes. Back up here, kind of show off that color scheme. And that ramp door obviously comes down. You can collapse away and stow away the patio option, and basically it's just a ramp door, again rated I believe at 3,500 pounds. And do also want to point out you have the heavy duty 5,000 pound rated stabilizer jacks on the rear, fully enclosed heated underbelly. Your gate valves are also protected in the underbelly. You can go into extended cold seasons if you want. Exterior speakers. Here's your LED lights. Awning's going to be 15 foot long, excellent condition. Tires are in excellent condition. These are 15-inch aluminum alloy wheels, heavy duty Dexter axles. Tires are all in excellent condition. Easy flex suspension system. Full walk-on roof. Just so I don't forget while I'm thinking about it, you do have triple Maxxair vent covers up top. I'll try to show that off when we go on the back side. This is going to be your garage area here, and this is access up underneath your bed. There's your aluminum framing, by the way. All aluminum frame sidewalls. laminated sidewalls, fiberglass, high gloss fiberglass finish. Kind of show down the side there. The owner has not had a chance to detail it, but it should clean up really good. It's just been a quick wipe down for the video. Front here pretty much is fully loaded. Does have the toolbox, which definitely was not standard, and a lot of them you won't see that, but it's got a little cargo rack that came with it. But toolbox, I believe, was an option. You do have, if you have a solar panel, you can hook it up right there, charge your battery. Dual 30-pound LP tanks with cover, and you do have a nice power jack there. It's convenient. Kind of pan around here. This is where your battery is. I do also want to point out your diamond plating or rock guard on the front. Nice Fury badge there. I did check this camper for delamination, which is the bubbling you get on campers when they get water damage on the fiberglass, and I did not find any issues. There's your triple Maxxair vent covers, and that's your large 15,000 BTU AC unit. Generator, Onan 4000 gasoline powered. It's going to be your gravity water fill. Your holding tank for your water is going to be 79 gallon. Docking station here. And starting from the right bottom, it's going to be your city water hookup. Kind of back up here. There's a little diagram. And just above that is your battery disconnect. Saves you on your battery when you're not using the coach. And to the left from the top is going to be your outside shower. And just below that, to the left, the three plugs are going to be your satellite hookups. And this right here, black tank sewer flush, rinses out your toilet. And I think this is just a little light. Anyway, and that's going to be your cable hookup. Pretty easy to figure out. Here's where you hook up your sewer hose, and your gate valves are right there. They're all protected in the heated underbelly, and let's see, 50 amp service. Your marine style 50 amp cord is probably rolled up and stowed away somewhere. Kind of back up here. Good looking toy hauler. Okay, this is going to be your fuel station here. You can gas up your toys. And you do have a 20 gallon fuel cell on this. It's going to be your pump right here. There you go. Easy to figure out. Definitely a nice toy hauler. This is a one owner. Alright, I hope I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. If you want to come out and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. It's actually located in North Vernon, Indiana. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. If you want to keep up to date on RVs and toy haulers coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.